Students, tell me the electronic configuration of sodium, magnesium, boron, oxygen or nitrogen. Did you get confused? Which is 2s1 and which is 3d1, or which is 2s2 or which is 2p3? You get confused. Yes. To avoid these type of confusion, to avoid these type of mistakes, I am going to share with you an amazing and excellent trick, which is a simple one-step trick which you will learn easily and write the electronic configuration of any element within a second. Yes. So this video is very beneficial to all the class 9th and 10th students, and especially to science students in 11th and 12th. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So let's move to the topic without any further delay. Firstly, we have to know that how many orbitals we have. So if you don't know, I will tell you. So we have 4 orbitals. That is S, P, D and F. We have 4 orbitals S, P, G and F. Now you have to learn the trick. What is the trick is that how to write electronic configuration. You often get confused which will come first, S, P, D and F. Whether SP will come first before P or whether D will come before S, or you get confused and everything create a mess in your mind. So to avoid that mistakes, to avoid that mess, I am going to share with you an amazing and easy trick which you will learn. So we have 4 orbitals S, P, D and F. Now here is the main point coming, that you have to write these orbitals twice in an orderly manner. So make sure, concentrate on the board. So now let's write S twice. Now follow the trick 2 times. You have to write 2 times. Now in reverse manner, SP, P, S, P, S. Twice, 2S, 2PS, 2PS. Okay. Now the third trick is that DPS. D, P, S. Now twice. I told you to write it twice. D, P, S. Okay. Now the thing is that, now the last one is that FDPS. Write it twice. That is FDPS. Again you will write it. That is FDP and S. Clear? You have to write it twice. Let me tell you again that what the thing is you have to do. Make sure to remember the trick. We have 4 orbitals which are S, P, D and F. Now you have to write every orderly manner twice. Suppose S is on the first place, so we write it 2 times, S and S. Now P with S. That now P will be included with S. We should write P, S, P, S 2 times. Every manner, every pair you have to write it twice. Now here comes D, DPS. That is DPS, DPS twice. Okay. Now the last one is FDPS. Okay, FDPS, FDPS. Okay, I hope it will clear to you. Now let's write the configuration. That is 1s2 or whether 2s2. So there I have an amazing trick. So now let's first give numbering to the orbitals. That is, so our S is on the first place, so 1, P is on the 2 place, then 2, D is on the 3 and F is on the 4. Okay, give numbering to the orbitals S, P, D, F. S is on the first place, so it is given 1, P is on the 2, D is on the 3 and F is on the 4. Now write from the S, start from the S. Now here is S 1. Now we will give it to second. From 1 we start 1s, then it is 2s, 2s, then now we will give it a 3s, and then we will give it 4s, now 5s, 6s, 7s and 8s. We will firstly give numbering to all the s orbitals. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, now let's come to the p orbital. Now here p is starting, p is given 2, p is at the 2 place. So now we will start from 2, 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, and this one is 6, and this one is 7p. Okay, now let's move to D. Now the D is at the 3, so we will start from 3. Give numbering to the D orbital, that is from 3. Here is 4, this one is 5, and this one is 6. Okay, now the last one, that is F. F is at 4, so we will start giving numbering to from 4. Now F is there, 4F, and that is 5F. Clear? So now here we have write the electronic configuration manner to write an electronic configuration. So 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s. Now in this manner our orbitals get filled and you will able to write electronic configuration. You should write let's write the electronic configuration of helium. So helium is at second place. So helium is at second place, and what will be the electronic configuration is 1s. अब s में मैंने बताया 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन मैक्सिमम फिल हो सकते हैं. So 1s 2. So here we should write 1s2. Okay. So atomic number is helium 2 है तो 2 ही इलेक्ट्रॉन आ सकते हैं. So now here helium is 1s2, and now let's write the electronic configuration of oxygen. So oxygen is at 8. Atomic number of oxygen is 8, and now let's write electronic configuration 2 to 4 and 4. So electronic configuration of oxygen is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p. ऑक्सीजन हमारा 8 पर है तो 8 पर कितने आते हैं अब देख लो, 1s2 2 to 4 and 4 are remaining, तो 2p 4. Clear? So this way you can write electronic configuration. And suppose after a sodium you have to write. Okay, firstly we will write neon. Neon की electronic configuration, that is 10. That is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 6 and 4 10, और हीलियम का एटॉमिक नंबर कितना है 10. ओके, सो इस दिस वे 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. ओके, एटॉमिक नंबर से आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. हमें पता है कि s इलेक्ट्रॉन में मैक्सिमम 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन आ सकते हैं. s ऑर्बिटल जैसे हमें सोडियम की लिखनी है, सोडियम इज एटॉमिक नंबर 11. सो सोडियम का एटॉमिक नंबर है 11. ओके, 11 है सोडियम का एटॉमिक नंबर. तो इसकी हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, लेकिन हम जो हमारी एनसीईआरटी के गिवन अकॉर्डिंग है, जैसे हम ब्रैकेट में नियॉन 10 एंड उसके बाद अब 10 यहाँ पर 2p तक हो जाए 3s1. क्लियर है? यहाँ पर हम ऐसे करेंगे 3s1. क्लियर एवरीवन? सो नियॉन 10 है, 3s1, दैट इज 11. क्लियर इतना? You can write electronic configuration of any element in the given periodic table. Just उससे जो पहले नोबल गैस आ रही है वो and उसका atomic number, and then the rest of the configuration you can write. So this is a simple trick which you can learn and write down in your notebook. So make sure to write it and learn it and remember it, and make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.